So you finally got approval for the Katie Beckett deeming waiver. Yay! Congratulations. That's a huge step. Once you get the approval, your work is still not done. Getting the Medicaid card, gaining access to the online website, and backdating bills can feel just as confusing or just give you a headache as the application itself. Let me walk you through what happens next.
Raising neurodivergent kids is messy, beautiful, and a lot. I'm Mary Ellen Yates, and this is Growing Together, Neurodiversity at Home. Let's figure it out together.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm still new to this Katie Beckett approval world, and I'm still figuring stuff out for myself, but I wanted to share what I've learned so far. For my second son, it took almost a month or a little over a month for us to receive that card. So after a few weeks of not receiving the card, I contacted the Katie Beckett office, who put me in touch with a case manager, and she said there was a glitch in the system, and she was trying to get supervisors to undo the glitch so that she could activate the card and then get one issued to us. So if you don't receive one in a week or two, definitely call and see what's going on. Next, you're going to want to log on to the Medicaid portal, where you can see all your information, including your care providers, when your effective date is, to request a new card, to see the claims that have been filed. All these things are right there. So you're going to want to go to this website, and you're going to click to log in, and then it's going to ask you your login information. It's going to ask for a password, and you're going to say you don't have one, or click that you need help, and you're going to get a notification that says pretty much to contact the Gainwell help desk. And then you're going to call the number, and you're probably going to be rerouted a few times until you get a hold of someone that can help you with the actual technical stuff on the website. So once you get a hold of that person, you type in your username, which is the Medicaid number, and then they give you that one-time password. You type it in, or they have the option of copying and pasting it. And then you go and set up your password, and then you'll have to re-log in with your new password and username, and then you'll be able to get into the account. And I would have them wait on the line until you get all of that done to make sure that it works, because it's really a pain to call the number and to be rerouted and dealing with all the automatic voice messaging and all that stuff. And so first thing you would want to do, go down to the bottom where it has the effective date, and you're going to want to then call your care providers and give them that date and see which providers can try to file claims for that time period. Whenever you're calling the Medicaid line or talking to the billing department or whoever you're talking to, they will give you a reference number. And write down that reference number and give that information to your provider. The next thing you can do is contact HIP, which stands for Health Insurance Premium Payment Program. So when you qualify for Katie Beckett, you also qualify to apply with HIP. HIP deems that you qualify for their services. They will reimburse you for the premium that you're paying on your primary insurance. And so for us, that's over $500 a month, so that would be super helpful. So we're trying to go through that process right now. And then as you're going to doctor's appointments, remember to share that you have the secondary insurance, because many providers just assume you have the same insurance unless you disclose it. Or you might need to decide whether you want to switch providers that do take Medicaid. Resources that I think would be helpful: the Debbie Dobbs website. Part of her practice is filling out the paperwork and helping with advocacy. And then she also has this large resource packet of other resources that you might qualify for now that you qualify for Katie Beckett. You have to give your email address, and they send you this packet. I think it was like 40 something pages. It's pretty large. I haven't gone through it yet, but that's something when I have a little more time, maybe during some school breaks, that I'm going to start tackling as well. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you know of other resources that are available once you get approved for Katie Beckett. I'd love to read your story. And that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.